All right, so just started to take the case off this immediately. What I wanted to show was this originally was not letting off, and I think just because the car was so dirty that it wasn't allowing that to move, which basically I think it was locked in an on spot, so it was always sucking air in the entire time. So I need to take that off, clean it up, and fix that. But you can see like the primer bulb, and I mean it was here, and now it's not. I mean, this is rotted out. So we can swap that. Might need a whole new. I might just get a new carburetor for it to. I mean, this one's pretty rough. Not too much. Swap that. I'm hoping that this stuff is okay, like our little exhaust panel here. I might have to. I might just keep that on, see if it runs with it. It's pretty rusted out, but if that's okay, I'd like to not touch that. And hopefully the piston is fine. Hopefully none of that's seized. I'll have to check that out. But yeah, I want to continue tearing this down. So. Yeah, but so oops, that's my towel. Take that off and let's go from there. It looks like this can't come off this plastic. It looks like that plastic was. That's actually okay. I need to get this off. First, I'm gonna take this. Finish taking this coil off. Took a while to find the right Allen key for this. Eventually I found my old pair that had them all on. These are probably, oh man, these are probably 10 years old. These got them originally when I rode BMX. I needed a set pretty much on me at all times. It's a long one there. These bolts, talking rusted, these things are rusted and then rusted some more. I'm surprised that I'm actually able to get these out and they didn't seize up, or that I'm not stripping them as I get it out. This one's a little, hear that? That was a good sound. Snap there. Always a good sound when you hear that on a seized bolt, because you know you're getting to move at least. I could just take my drill at it, but I didn't want to strip out the head. So, which is a problem if you try to take power tools sometimes at old nuts and bolts and screws. Sometimes it's too much power, you just strip right out, and you got to get an extractor, and then that just creates the other issue of finding a replacement bolt, which is not always in the realm of possibility, except going to a store and finding one. Oh boy, that's not what I want to do. Huh. Well, there it is. Huh. This thing's just nasty, I tell you what. So I got to check out this coil, because you can hear it. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Woo! A big one there. Yeah. I don't know what other stuff is waiting for me in this thing, but I'm not. I got my eyes open now for any more cockroaches to crawl their way out of here. There's another one I'm looking at, small one, but it'll be all right. This part here, it seems like this was nasty. This part here I gotta fix. It's not coiling. Well, I'm gonna check this out. Let's see, hopefully no springs decide to shoot out at me. Just holding this plate down while I do it. Yeah, there's the, I think it's just a hole, honestly, guys. I'm hoping that this is salvageable. You can't really go in and do that. So I'm hoping that it allows us to just clean it up a little bit. I need another rag. This bench is a little bit of pain. I realize I'd be breaking out all the rags today. This thing's nasty. I mean, you just talk about sitting in this rusty water. All right. Yeah, I'll say I wasn't moving this. I mean, you talk about just junk in there. I can't tell, is that supposed to seat inside something? I don't think so. So we sprayed it down. I mean, oh man, that's exact. I don't know why I just did that. That was the last thing I could have done. Yeah, that's not what I did. So here's the coil. And now I gotta, well, I guess it's not terrible because I really did have to clean the inside of this. Really should get my wire brush I have laying around. It's over there. I'm already looking a little bit cleaner, but if this is just the ignition coil to get this on there, I can only imagine what's waiting for us when we crank open the underneath the gas can. That'll be, I'm sure there's like a nest of cockroaches underneath that thing. I'm just guessing, guys. I think this has been sitting outside for 5 years. So I mean, we'll see. Hopefully we can get this running. That'd be nice to have one of these. And then we gotta basically do the same thing on that Honda motor. Man, look at this thing. This thing's nasty too. I can tell I'm using a lot of rags for this, guys. So hopefully when we clean this up, and put some dry lube on here, some kind of dry lubrication. I'll just stick with WD-40. I don't know if I'm gonna put like some. I could put some like anti-seize on this or something, but I don't think we need to. Oh my goodness, what a mess this is, guys. I know we can coil this back, but I'm just gonna have to undo a little bit of it looks like it's tangled, which it should not be. See right there? You see it's like crossing over right in there. I'm gonna see if I can. I gotta fish that out. And then it's gonna cool itself. Ooh, there we go, boys. Alright, so we got let's go back. Now I gotta put it. I think honestly I think the rope is just like trash too. Like we might have to change. I might have to like change the rope or something too. It's nasty. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. mostly clean. Just spray a little more before you get any loose stuff out there. Now that we already took the coil out. Yeah, we'll clean up a little bit in there. Okay. All right, so let's put this back in. Tricky part is too, getting this to line properly. Not exactly what I had in mind when I went into this. Yikes, man, this is gonna be a pain in the neck. Alright, so this. And you guys know of an easier way to do this, please let me know. I don't see any way that immediately stands out to me. Clearly the way I'm not, clearly what I'm, not the way I'm doing it. But let's coil that back. Coil this around. Coil that. I think it uncoiled on itself. I mean, I think that's the general idea. Okay, let's try this again. Down there. And please, if you know a better way to do this, let me know. It'd be nice to have a gas blower just on hand, though. You can always use those. Like, put the sawdust out. Always nice to just have a gas engine, but also have the capability to fix another gas engine when they do eventually decide to cause problems because of bad gas, compression leak, whatever it is. I mean, it's bound to happen, but just, oh my goodness. It didn't. Oh man, do you have to go in reverse at it? Like, I can't get my finger in there to. Maybe you can. Clearly it's supposed to sit on. All right, try a different strategy here. We're going to put it directly on the all that fishing around in there. Oh my goodness. I might have to make this update 3. I gotta figure this out. So I gotta get this coil in. Didn't mean to take it out in the first place, but here we are. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. This is gonna be a project. Hopefully we can get this up and running. It'll be exciting when we get it running on the channel. Determined to have this thing crank. Yeah. Thanks for sticking around. I really appreciate it. Yeah, have a good one, guys.